he could just bait me into fake the base. I don't think so. You can literally. There we go. He's into the void. Oh, hold on. Into the void. Chase me across this bridge. Goodbye. Bro, look at him. Oh, look at this guy building up. Get down. He's already gone before I even took the fight. All right, now we just wait for the pearl up. Into the void. Bro, he's panicking, bro. Bro. I built my box. Oh, it works out. I run into this. Go on, build up, bro. What are you gonna do? Home teleport? 65 damage. Build over the top of him. Oh, he's got a fireball. Ah! Ah! Okay, we're good. Yeah. Ah. Oh. Okay, and there we go. Look at that. They're so confused. They're literally frozen. Oh, yeah. You know what? Typical Yuzi. Typical Yuzi brain. Zap. Tie myself in a box, picking it up so you can't bow me through the wall. Boing! Come on, what's your game plan, bro? Why are you panicking so much? Well, since I had such a good time with Wizards, it's probably gonna get nerfed about 7 times.